Hello friends, this is my next video, and in this video I will show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. First, know your cube, that the yellow middle piece is always opposite to white middle piece, and green middle piece is always opposite to blue, and orange is always opposite to red. Then put this white middle piece on bottom and the yellow piece at the top. Then you have to make a white cross like this by putting the white edges at the correct places. At this, you have to put a white and green colored edge piece. You have to found it at the top last layer by moving it in this way. This is a green edge, but there is a not white colored piece here, and this is a green and white edge which have to put here. Then move this piece two times and see there is a white and green edge here. Then you have to put a orange and white edge here. To put it, you have to find it here, and here a white and orange edge, but it is inverted, and if you have to solve it, just do like this. Put this last layer to the right, move this last layer to the right, then do the R prime, then the front, then this edge piece here is correctly placed like this. We have made an L, but these two pieces are not here. There is a middle piece, edge piece here, blue and white. You have to put here. So to remove it from here, you have to do this. R U R prime, and this blue and white edge piece is removed from here. Then move it to the blue middle piece. Here is the blue middle piece, and it is inverted like the orange and white middle piece. So you do like this. U R prime F. Then see, a cross has made. The red piece is automatically on it, but if you don't have, so do this. Here is the three edge pieces placed correctly, but the last edge piece, red and white, is not placed. Then put the white middle piece at the bottom and find the red and white edge piece on the top layer. Here is the red and white edge piece, so place it to the middle red piece. These are matched, so do the F2 or F prime 2 to place it. Then the white cross has been made. and all the HVCs are correctly placed on them in it. Then to make a white portion complete, you have to make these white corners correctly placed. In this white corner, you have to place blue, red and white colored piece. This is the blue, red and white colored piece and it has to be placed at here. Then first you see that this blue color is matched at this place. If the red color is matched with the red middle point, you have to do another algorithm. For this, you have to do like this: R, U, R prime, and this corner piece has been placed correctly. Then this is the green, red, white edge piece. So turn it and match it with the middle piece. It is matched. Then do the same. R, U, R prime, and it is placed correctly like this. Then find another piece like this and put it and match it with this. Match it like this. The orange corner piece is matched with the orange middle piece, but it is on the left side. Then you have to do this algorithm: L prime, U prime, L, and it has been placed correctly. For the other, all the pieces are placed correctly, but except this. This white piece is facing upwards. To solve it, do this algorithm: R, U2, R prime, U, and this is matched. If this is matched, you do the left side algorithm, but it is matched here and the right piece is facing to the right. So do the algorithm R, U, R prime, and this is done. Your first layer is complete. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my video.